Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dr. Ruby and today we are back with another very important topic in educational psychology. In today's class, we will dive into the sampling theory of intelligence proposed by G.H. Thompson. This theory presents a unique perspective on how different mental abilities contribute to overall intelligence. Before we start, if you are new here, please subscribe to RB Insights and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on future videos. We have covered various important topics in educational psychology, and you can find the links in the description below, or check out the playlist called Educational Psychology. Also, explore other playlists like Educational Philosophy, Government Educational Schemes and Policies, and Daily MCQs. Now, let's get started. Goddard Henry Thompson was a significant figure in British psychology and education. Born in the UK, he pursued a career that greatly contributed to the study of human intelligence and psychometrics. His early education led him to become deeply involved in the field of psychology and educational testing. Thompson earned his academic credentials during a period when intelligence testing was still a developing science. He was particularly influenced by Charles Spearman's work on intelligence, though later he would challenge some of Spearman's ideas. After becoming a professor at the University of London, Thompson focused his research on mental abilities and intelligence. One of his major contributions to psychology was his work on psychometrics, the science of measuring mental capacities and processes. He played a crucial role in refining the tools and methods for testing intelligence, which had wide-ranging applications in both education and employment sectors. In 1939, Thompson introduced his sampling theory of intelligence, where he argued that intelligence is not a single, uniform trait, but rather a combination of different abilities that overlap across tasks. His work influenced the way we think about intelligence as a multifaceted and dynamic concept. Overall, G.H. Thompson's work laid the foundation for many modern psychological assessments and had a lasting impact on both educational theory and practice. Now, let us understand the sampling theory of intelligence in most simple words. Thompson's sampling theory suggests that intelligence is a result of interactions between a variety of mental abilities rather than a single, unified factor. According to Thompson, when people engage in different tasks, they sample various mental processes, and these combined abilities determine their overall intelligence. Unlike Spearman's idea of a single general intelligence, Thompson believed that specific cognitive abilities overlap across tasks but do not reflect one general ability. Each task, whether it's related to problem solving, memory, or reasoning, taps into a range of mental processes. When viewed together, these tasks provide a more complete picture of an individual's intelligence. For example, imagine that you are planning a trip. You have to first decide which destinations to visit, budget the trip, and organize travel schedule. Each of these tasks involves different cognitive processes. There are planning, numerical reasoning, decision making, and even visualizing places. Intelligence, therefore, is not about excelling in one area, but how you sample and apply different mental abilities to solve problems and make decisions. Thompson argued that no single test can capture the complexity of intelligence. A person may excel in one area while facing challenges in another. This is why intelligence should not be seen as the sum of different cognitive abilities rather than one general ability. Now that we have understood the sampling theory of intelligence, let us move on to the educational implications. Starting with point number 1, comprehensive assessment methods. Since Thompson emphasizes multiple mental abilities, educators should use a variety of assessment methods that test different skills. Relying on a single test can overlook essential cognitive abilities. Point number 2, holistic approach to student evaluation. Teachers should focus on evaluating students based on diverse abilities, such as verbal, numerical, and spatial reasoning. Each student's intelligence should be understood as the sum of multiple cognitive processes. Next, designing a balanced curriculum. A curriculum should include tasks and activities that target a broad range of cognitive skills, helping students develop their intelligence across various domains. Next, inclusive learning strategies. Different students may excel in different areas of intelligence. By applying Thompson's theory, teachers can create learning environments that cater to the varied strengths of each student. Point number 5, reducing reliance on standardized testing. Thompson's theory suggests that intelligence is too complex to be measured by a single test. Schools should reduce their reliance on standardized tests and incorporate more varied practical assessments. Coming to the last point, encouraging individual growth. The theory supports personalized learning. Each student's unique combination of cognitive abilities should be nurtured, allowing them to grow in their strongest areas while improving weaker ones. So that was all on Thompson's sampling theory of intelligence. I hope you liked the video. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions regarding this theory. You can also mention in the comment section any topic of education subject that you would like me to cover for the upcoming classes. Like, subscribe, and share as much as you can among the people who might find it helpful. This motivates me as an educator to bring more videos like this one to you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next class.